Hey bosses, hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. You know the drill. Thanks for tuning in to another Boss Productions. Today, all we're doing is I'm just going to show you a quick little clip of how I do my domino sets with epoxy. Right now, I'm just mixing in the color. I've already mixed my epoxy up. Just mixing in the color. This is for the Ohio State Buckeyes. So continue watching to see the process. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when the next video drops. I try to drop a video at least 2 to 3 times a week. I'll jump back in a little later on, let you know what's going on. Right now, we just filling in this little domino mold that I got. All right, continue watching. Bosses, like I lost a whole lot of footage to this, so this is a picture of how it is when it's dried after I've added the decals to it. And now I'm going to show you the box that I'm going to decorate to put the dominoes in. I got this box from Hobby Lobby, I believe. This set coming with 2 shot glasses with the Buckeye decals on them. And so that's why I chose this particular box, because it is the domino set. This is how the box looks after I have painted it and added everything that needed to be added to it. The Buckeye sign on the top. I got the little Buckeye dude on the inside lid, as well as the Buckeye on the side panels. Just a little, make sure you know who is represented with the dominoes. I love the way it turned out. It's beautiful. I did that. Yes. But another little glimpse on the inside. It's nice and spacious. It actually turned out to be too much space. And then this is the final touch with everything in the inside, from the glasses to the dominoes. This is just a 360 of the whole thing. Ends in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look at that. Look at that. It turned out so nice. Shot glass, dominoes, white dots for the numbers. All right, y'all. Thanks for checking me out again today in another Boss production. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.